Simple drawing art!
Hello everyone, welcome to the Simple Drawing Art channel. Today I will draw and color how to draw a dress for kids. First, I draw the wave of the dress. The sleeves of the dress. Then the color of the dress. I added a dress motif with a heart's image. First, I color the color brown. Color the shirt blue.
Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo, loo loo. Skip to my loo, loo loo. Skip
Brown.
Skip to my loo, my darling. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon.
I added dress motif with
blue.
blue.
Skip to my loo, loo loo. Skip to my loo, loo loo. Skip to my loo, skip to my
Pink.
loo, my darling. Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2. Skip to my
Yellow.
my darling. Loo loo. Skip to my loo, loo loo. Skip to my loo, loo loo.
Orange.
Skip to my loo, my darling.
Green.
Lost my partner, what'll I do?
And red.
What'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Skip to
Make
my
a
loo, my
beautiful
darling.
dress.
Skip to my
Finish. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Bye bye.
darling.